Hi, I'm Patu from freefincal. In today's post, I want to warn investors in the Nifty Next 50 index funds that they should not be expecting double-digit returns from the index because it's extremely volatile, as many of you would have already found out. Now, we've been seeing the comparison of the index with mid-cap funds and small-cap funds, and I've been recommending this as an add-on to the Nifty index fund, as which is the core component, but you must be careful about the risks. For example, in the last 3 years, the ICICI Nifty Next index fund is the return is just 0.02%. For the direct plan, for the regular plan, it's minus 0.38%. And the last 5-year return is just 6.4%. The last 10-year returns of the Nippon Junior B's ETF is 9.3%. So people say, oh, you are looking at returns after a crash, that's how it will be, and like that's just being in denial. It doesn't matter when the crash occurs. As long as there is a crash, you're in the middle of your investing journey, as it has happened now, it will definitely affect returns in the future, and especially coming out of this and so on. So some facts about the Nifty Next 50. It has a base date of November 4th, 1996. So the price was 1,000 rupees on that date, and the inception date, that's when it has actually started being as a listed index, from December 24th, 1996. But the total return index data is available only from 8th November 2002, which is a pity. So on November 25th, 2008, after the global financial crisis, the 2008 crash, the index fell from 1,000 rupees base date to 332 rupees, which means after 12 years, that's an annualized return of minus 12%. And on March 23rd, 2020, the 10-year Nifty Next 50 total returns, index returns, dropped to 7%. This is the second time in about 9 years that the return dropped below 10%. It happened somewhere, I think in 2011ish or so, around this point. In 2011, again the index dropped to the return dropped below 10%. So that's the normalized plot of both the Nifty Next 50 and the Nifty 50. You can see how extraordinarily volatile Nifty Next 50 is. It falls big, it also raises big. So you have to be careful about the risks, and this is something that I've been saying for a while. And if you look at the 10-year rolling returns, the returns have been falling down progressively for both Nifty 50 and the Nifty Next 50. I have already shown long-term Nifty SIP returns have already crashed to 8%, 51% reduction in those returns. Similar thing has happened in the case of Nifty Next 50 as well. But the point is that generally the Nifty Next 50 has given better returns than Nifty 50. However, there are periods in time when the returns are comparable, or the more or less it's the same. So the point is, for the additional risk that you are taking by investing in the Nifty Next 50, you may not get the commensurate reward all the time. Sometimes you will, sometimes you will not, and that's just pot luck. So instead of expecting some return, what I would suggest that you do is to basically manage your portfolio. If you're investing in Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50, do rebalancing with respect to debt and also with respect to each other, the two indices. Do systematic or tactical rebalancing. We will talk about that in subsequent posts, and this kind of active management is mandatory for investing in the Nifty Next 50. Thank you. Bye-bye.